So the Paw Patrol was on a rescue mission, and they got lost on this underground tunnel system under this mountain range, and we're gonna give them a little hand to find their way out. We've got a skid steer to help us. Okay, fire up that skid steer. Let's see what we can find.
Yeah! Put that out! Oh, it's so dirty.
Oh, it's Rubble. We gotta clean him off.
What?
There he is. What color is Rubble?
He's yellow.
He's yellow.
No, it's yellow for chase.
Maybe Rubble can get in his machine and dig for his friends.
He's right here. Yeah. 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 Where's his friend go? Yeah. Yeah. Look at this wheel in here. I see Paul.
He's really in there. Hey, Rubble. Keep digging. Save your friend.
Okay.
Oh, I can see him just a little bit. Oh, is that? Who is it?
I don't know. It's Marshall. I can't
It's
see him.
Marshall.
He's bare.
Look at him. He's dirty too. These guys are all gonna need a wash. Marshall, he is red.
Yeah.
And he's wearing a black shirt here. Alright, Rubble.
Where's-
He's looking for more of his friends.
Where is
Oh,
he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
maybe Rubble can use his big bucket.
Where is he? Where is he?
I think he's right in here.
Where is he?
Maybe we'll give Rubble a little help.
Yeah.
Oh, I see something. Who's in there?
I don't know. What?
Whoa.
It's Robodog.
It's Robo-Dog covered in dirt.
What's
Hey,
Robodog?
Robo-Dog. Whoops.
What's Robodog doing?
So Rubble's got one more friend to dig up under this big mountain here.
What? Wait, I didn't help you, Rubble.
Oh, let's get him turned around so we can see better and use his excavator.
I see something blue. And
Something blue. Oh my goodness.
it's
Who
Chase.
is it? It's Chase.
Look at him. He's so dirty.
He's super dirty, but he is super Chase. Look at that guy. Looking sharp in blue. We're gonna have to give him a bit of a wash later.